Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared Lear here with BootUp. This video, I'm going to show you how to trigger the sounds in the Beatbox Machine project. So first thing we want to do is we actually want to add in some different sound blocks other than the ones that are right here. We're going to go to the extensions, which is this blue button down here in the corner, and you click on it, and you have a bunch of stuff that you can add. You might have even more options than I do right now. And you're going to click on music. Now, this is going to give you a new set of blocks that allows you to play drums, pick from different sounds like that, or even play a different note. So yeah, these are different than the sound blocks, which don't have that ability to do that. So what I'm going to do for my code is I want to make it so that when I press one of the keys, like an up arrow, I'm going to switch to a funny picture like the one that you see on the screen. I'm going to play a sound, and then I'm going to switch to the blank backdrop. So to do that, we need to start with an event. So we're going to say, let me zoom in real quick. We're going to say with the up arrow, when it is pressed, you're going to switch to a backdrop. And in this case, I don't want to switch to the blank one. I want to switch to one of my photos. So I'm going to use the triangle and say go to photo 1. And then I want it to eventually switch back to the blank backdrop. But in between these two blocks, I'm going to use one of these music blocks. So if you wanted to play a note, you could do that, one of these blocks, or you could play a drum. Since I'm a percussionist, I'm going to go ahead and choose a drum. So now when I press up arrow, it switches that photo, plays a snare drum, and then it switches back to the blank one. So that's exactly what I wanted to do. So now I'm going to repeat the steps for all 4 of the arrows and all 4 of my photos. All right, so I've gone ahead and added in code for each of my arrows. My up arrow is going to play a snare drum and do photo 1. My left arrow is going to do photo 2 with the bass drum. My down arrow is going to do photo 4 with an open hi-hat, and my right arrow is going to do photo 3 with a crash cymbal. And all of them at the end will switch to blank. So I can go left, up, right, down, and I can now drum with my face. Now, if you wanted to use, instead of the music blocks, a sound block, you could definitely do that. What I'd recommend doing is having a start sound and then using a wait block after each one of these.
Boom.
So maybe wait for 0.5 seconds or something like that. So again, if you want to use sound block, just start sound, wait a little bit, and then switch to the blank backdrop. So you're going to go into your code, and for each one of your photos, you're going to add in code that looks kind of like this or looks kind of like this. So either the music blocks or the sound blocks in here. And if you have 20 photos, you're going to have 20 different keys that you're going to press at least for your project. Hey everyone, if you're watching this on YouTube, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not watching us on YouTube, you can find us on that platform as well as other social media outlets by searching for BootUp PD. And if you're looking for more free lessons, projects, and resources for teachers and students, visit us at bootuppd.org, where you can also learn about our high-quality professional development.